Okay, for tap, we're first going to go over what we learned, and then you learn your new steps. Alright. Hi, where are you? Oh, don't scratch on me now. Oh. You can say hi, but you gotta go now. Okay. So, as a review, first we did our step, our stamp, and our stop. So we did step, stamp, stamp, stop, stop. We can do our steps on our toes. We can do a toe heel step. We can do a heel toe step. And we did our shuffles. We did brush, brush, step, brush, brush, step. So we went forward, backward, step. We went forward, backward, step. And for our flaps, we went down onto it. So we just used the ball of our foot and we went brush, tap, brush, tap, brush, tap, brush, tap. And if you were to walk with that, it would look brush, tap, brush, tap, brush, tap, brush, tap. We also did our backwards flaps or our pullbacks, where we went up on our toes and we brushed back. Okay, so you learned all those steps, and that was just a quick review. You're now going to do a time step. And a time step is kind of like a shuffle. There's multiple time steps. There's a 2-step time step, a 3-step time step, and a 5-step and a 7-step. So what we're going to do is we'll do the basic one and then we'll move from there. So you can try that with me. So in your time step, you're going to go step, switch to the other foot, shuffle, step. So that's our easiest time step. We step, shuffle with the other foot, and step onto it. Step, shuffle, step. Step, shuffle, step. If you try it with the other foot, you step with your left foot first, step, shuffle right, step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step. If we switch feet while we're doing it, it'll look something like this. But you need to keep in mind that when we're doing the different time steps, we always start with a step unless we're traveling or moving to the other foot. So this time we're going to start with a shuffle. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. That can be moved forward, shuffle, step, or backwards. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. You can try it as fast or as slow as you want. Otherwise, a 3-step time step is step, shuffle, step. Because we count that first sound as 1, 2, 3. Then this starts our next one. 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3-step time step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If we go into more steps and more sounds, we add on this number of sounds that our time step is called. So 3, 3. If we are going to add on to it with a 5. We take a jump and a step to add our next 2 sounds. So you start the same that we did before. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle. Now instead of stepping onto it, you're going to hop on the foot that you're standing on. So step, shuffle, hop, step. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if we try the other foot, we start right away with the foot that's down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can switch from each foot doing it as there are 5 steps and there are 5 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would also count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you have that, you can start going a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, you're just making sure that you're switching each time. So last time. You can also do that backwards, so instead of going front, you're just placing your foot backwards. So you're doing all the same steps. You're stepping, you shuffle, you hop, and then you just step backwards. Step, shuffle, hop, step back. Shuffle, hop, step back. Shuffle, hop, step back. Go a little bit faster. Step, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, hop, step. So try that back.